Hey there, this is Sandra Edmond, Queen of Tax Deeds with your Tip Tuesday. So I'm just sitting here in my office going through some mail and I came across something like this. Let me cover their address. So I send out quite a few of these postcards that look like this. And sometimes I get them back and I receive something in the mail that says no such number. Can you see that? Or no such address. And I know that this is a good address. Well, not necessarily good, but I know that I got it correctly from the property appraiser's website and the tax collector's website. So this person cannot be found. The post office says this number is no good. So obviously anybody else that's mailing to this address isn't going to reach them either. So that's why it behooves me as an investor to try to find this person at whatever address or phone number they are, because no other investor can find them either. This is a property that came off of one of my motivated seller lists. And this one could be, and I'm going to look it up in a second here on my computer to see what it is. It could be anything. It could be people that are, so many different lists that I do. People are delinquent in taxes. It could have been driving for dollars. It could have been a list that I generated myself. But this now becomes even more important than any other lead, because this is one that it's going to be very hard for anybody else, any other investors to find. So take seriously the mail that comes back and spend some time, maybe even make that its own marketing campaign, is to find the letters or find the addresses for the people that the mail came back for. I mean, we spend a lot of money doing marketing campaigns, whether it be social media, direct mail, cold calling, knocking on doors. But the letters that come back should be their own some type of marketing, because they're very, very valuable, because nobody else can find these people either. And if you can find them, you can probably strike a deal, because they're not getting any mail from anybody else because they're hard to find. Another piece of mail that I got here too, it's a 2-pager, and it's very similar to what I do. I send out a letter, cover letter, and a purchase agreement as well. And this one here is an offer to purchase. So I was just thinking, a lot of times I hear from people and they're like, I don't know what to do, how to get started. Just get started, start doing something. Either get a list of properties coming up in the sale, do a driving for dollars, do postcards. Just don't do them too small. I got one in the mail that was really, 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 really small. So much smaller than the one that I sent out. It's kind of hard to read. So just make sure you're sending something that's large enough that people can see and it stands out. And just start marketing. That's my tip for today, is just start marketing. And don't forget about the leads that are coming into your mailbox all the time, from maybe leads that you've already mailed out on that people you just can't find, and they're just sitting there. So take care of them and see if they're people that you can locate and give them a purchase agreement. Maybe then you can use the 2-page contract and send them a contract for them to sign. This one here is for an old vacant lot that we've had for a number of years, and someone sent me a purchase agreement to try to purchase it. So I'm gonna just now check some comps in the area to see if it's anything I would want to sell at the price they're asking for. So anyway, that's my tip. If you have any questions or anything that you'd like me to address on Tip Tuesday or any of my videos, be sure to comment, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy investing.